In this video, I'm going to highlight the Builderall website chatbot. Show you such a cool feature that you can generate leads and get engagement. Stay tuned. I'm here in my Builderall back office, and I've logged into the Sitebox section where you can create a website Sitebox similar to the Facebook Messenger bot, but you will be able to, after you create this flow, you will be able to embed this on your website, and we'll give you a brief overview of it. This is one that I have already created for my site, and if I grab the embed code for it, I will copy it here, press OK, and then what I will do is I will go back to Builderall and log into my account. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm just going to go to the Pixel Perfect Site Builder. This is in Builderall where you can create your website. I'm going to enter here. Now this is just for tutorial purposes only. This will not be a built out website at all. It just will show you how to embed this chatbot and exactly what it will look like when you create your site or add it to your site. So you're going to create a website. Let's just do a blank page. This is a blank website. Nothing's on it. Go over here to blank. Click edit. Okay, so here you are with your blank website. Now, of course, your website will be built out and have your logos and all your information on it. But to add that Sitebot, that website Sitebox, you want to go over to your left here, click the plus sign, and you're going to search for HTML. You're going to click over here on apps on the left, click HTML, and once this box comes up, you can enlarge it however you'd like to make sure that all the information goes inside. That should be good enough. So once we right click on it, we're going to click edit, and you're going to see some empty or some just dummy text in here, so to speak. You're going to go ahead and erase that. And remember the embed code we had over here just to show you. You want to get that embed code, copy it. Okay, go back to your HTML box there and paste it. I'm on a Mac, so Command V, confirm. Okay, once that's confirmed, we'll see it's loading, and there you go. There is the website chat box there. And one nice feature also, you can place this anywhere on your website. For example, here at the bottom, and you can pin it. For example, you go down here to pin element, click pin element, and you want to manually pin it because you want to place it wherever you want on your website. Let's say this is your website page. You want to pin it right down here on the bottom and you want it to stay there. Manually pin element. Let's say right there. Boom. And once you manually pin that element in the corner, it will be, the Sitebot will be on every page that an individual clicks on your website. So it'll be just stationed, for example, right here in this corner. And let's go back and preview what this Sitebot is and just show you the flow of it. It's very easy to create. So let's just preview what this Sitebot is. So once you go to the website, you'll see this. It'll say, hello, how are you? And when someone clicks on it, for example, they say good, and then it will come up, may I have your name? Then you type in your name. Let's just say my name is Jay. After they put in their name, then it will say, thanks, Jay. May I also have your email to send you goodies? And then they put in their email. You can see how great this is for lead generation. So let's just put Jay, because again, this is just a preview, jay@mail.com, right? This is just a preview, made up email, just to show you the workflow. So now Are you interested in affiliate marketing, email marketing, web design? I'm not interested at all. So let's just say they're interested in affiliate marketing. Notice this flow I put in here. Great, that's awesome. Click this button for a 14-day free trial for Builderall. After you click below, enjoy the brief tutorial explaining Builderall, the best all-in-one platform. So they will click here if they're interested in affiliate marketing, the other three, and it'll send them to a website. Great for lead generation. And as I go back, I want to show you just another important feature here. Let's see, go back to Flow Builder. And let's say I was to click on one of these here, right? Let's see, the one I wanted to highlight was where you capture the email. Okay, here you go. So you click on that flow and it will show you how to edit and add boxes. For example, down here, this is very important. It will ask you for your mailing boss integration, which you can capture their email and send them emails. So now here is the lead generation that I was mentioning and talking about earlier. What a great way to capture leads. Most people don't think about this, but just this chat box and this workflow is actually lead generation. What a wonderful tool. So you can connect your list. I have quite a few lists connected there, and whatever list you want to send them to, you can capture those emails. So just a brief video on a site bot that you can add to your website. What a wonderful feature offered in Builderall. So if you'd like to check Builderall out, please click the link in the description of this video. Hopefully you found that helpful. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.